Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the JeepSolid garage. So this video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do something fun. What I thought I would do is select a viewer's question. Cliff sent me a message saying he needed help identifying a plug. So I've been super busy with the holidays and everything, like I'm sure you guys have been as well, so you can understand that. I thought I would throw together a real quick video answering Cliff's question, and then I thought, hey, why don't I make that a series where every once in a while maybe I'll throw in an extra video or something where I answer a viewer's question. I do get a lot of questions, and I can't answer them all. I try to respond to most everything. When people ask questions in my videos, I try to respond to those. Emails, it's a bit harder because I put my first priority on the questions in YouTube itself. So, but that aside, Cliff sent me a message saying, hey, where does this plug go? He's been working on his Jeep, he's not sure. So I thought this will be kind of fun. I'll research a little bit and try on my Jeep to find what plug he's talking about. And I think I've identified it, so let's take a real quick look at that. And also let me know what you guys think. Should I answer viewers' questions every now and then on a live video? Well, this isn't live, on a video. Leave a comment in the description below. Tell me if this is dumb. Dale, don't do that. But this will save me some time as well, because producing my regular videos takes a lot of time. Doing a repair, editing it, posting the video, and doing that every week on top of having other full-time job and a family takes a lot of time. So thank you guys, I appreciate your support. If you're interested in supporting the JeepSolid garage, link to my Patreon page is in the description below. So let's take a real quick look at Cliff's question. So Cliff was saying that he did some work on his Jeep and everything is back together and running just fine, but he found a plug that he wasn't sure exactly where it went. Everything was working, all of his gauges, the engine, everything was running just fine, so he's not sure what this plug was for. On his, it was actually coming out right up here at the firewall through this wire loom here. And I identified it as this guy right down here. It comes out of my wire loom down here a little bit lower, but I believe Cliff was looking at this plug right here. So when I take this apart and look at the plug, so that looks exactly like what Cliff's plug looked like. So I did him a little favor and I sent him a message saying, I think this goes to the shift motor on your axle. So look for a plug like that guy right there. It has a yellow and black wire attached to it. And what this guy is, it's simply just the indicator on your dash that your four-wheel drive is engaged. So let's follow this wire loom down. It comes all the way down there along the frame rail, goes down to our, let's hop over here, goes down to our Dana 30 axle right down there. And under the Jeep here, there's where that black and yellow wire connect. So this is the shift motor that engages your four-wheel drive on your axle. It's also called the CAD, or central axle disconnect. So there's a little fork in there that when the vacuum over here, when it's engaged, it pushes a little fork over with a collar that locks the axle together, and that's what engages your four-wheel drive. So I think in Cliff's case, he's just missing the little wire right there that goes to that just lights up your dash, that shows you that you are in four-wheel drive. And there is an upgrade, well, I don't know if it's an upgrade or not, but another method where people actually get rid of the vacuum on this and hook a cable up. So if you've done that, let me know. I'm real curious if you've had good success with it, if you like it, think it's a modification worth doing. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Should I throw a video up like this every now and then, answering a viewer's question? Because I like hearing from you guys each week, and I think you guys appreciate hearing from me, and I don't want to skip a week. So, and I should be back next week with one of my regular videos. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.